because I'm going to move on na, teacher.
Sige po, teacher. So, ano po, no, parents, don't forget to download, no, the reading material na pwede nyo pong i-practice after po ng ating session. Okay?
Mm,
So, pinakita po kanina ni Teacher Lorna yung sample,
ayan,
ano po natin, copy na pwede nyo ma-download.
that's right. Okay, now sige, teacher, I'll proceed, no?
Yes po. Yes, teacher.
Okay, sige. So, ito nga po, that's why we're here. That's why we are doing this webinar. Kasi po may goal kami. May goal po ang Instant Reader to really reach 1 million non-readers and struggling readers by 2025. And to start off, we're targeting po 100 schools, public and private school. Gustong-gusto po namin tong ma-share, no? Actually, sobrang kapurit pa lang po yon kasi once you get the program po, andun po lahat, no? And we have DIY and we have for partnership, which I'm going to share with you. Ano bang difference nito, no? Yung kaninang in-explain po kasi namin, more on the DIY po yung coaching no, no? But we have a different coaching po kapag ito naman ay school partnership. It means pag mas maraming estudyanteng tinuturuan. Okay? At ang goal po kasi talaga namin ngayon, we want to teach Pilipino muna. Mga dito muna sa Pilipinas, to be honest po, napakaraming gustong kumuha ng program outside the country. But we're pushing this kasi nakakahinayang po ba na developed by Filipino, here in the Philippines, we have it, pero ibang bansa na naman po ang makikinabang, di ba? So, sabi ko nga, hindi po tayo titigil hanggat hindi nakakapagbasa ang bawat batang Pilipino. Alam ko napakarami nun. Pero we just have to start somewhere, di ba? Ang sarap-sarap po kasi talagang isipin na every child, no? Ang mga batang Pilipino po dito sa Pilipinas ay nagbabasa at hindi na natin kailangan mag-import pa ng programa. Meron po tayong sariling programa. So, I invite you to be in this movement. I would say ito po ay isang movement na gusto naming gawin na we join hands together. Let's fill in the missing piece and together, di ba, let's leave a legacy for the next generation of Filipino children. Kasi milyon po ang hindi nakakapagbasa, milyon-milyon pong mga bata. Can you imagine itong mga batang to? Ngayon po ang daming high school, no? Boboto na po kasi yan. Sila po yung next na boboto. So we need to make sure na alam nyo po, nakapagbasa naman po yung ating mga botante para nakakapag-isip din po sila ng maayos. No? So this movement that we wanted to have would actually address literacy gaps. Alam ko naiintindihan niyo ako kasi kung guru ka, imposibleng walang struggling reader or non-reader sa school na naandun ka. Okay? Meron at meron po. Kasi sa dyslexia nga po, 20% na agad. So, this movement would also allow us to empower teachers with specialized training resources and effective tools to teach reading. Okay? So this will impact not only, alam niyo malaki, ambisyoso talaga na buong bansa natin, no? Pero dun lang sa mga kanya-kanya nating communities, right? And once you're able to use this program, no, it has the potential for scalability and replication kasi po duplicable po talaga ang programang ito. So, once you're trained, once you get to know the program, kahit kanino nyo po itong maituro ay magagawa po natin ito. It could be duplicated once you get the training. And ang maganda po nun, it's a long-term educational reform. Pero ang isa pa pong maganda, we can do it in a short period of time kung sama-sama lang po natin itong gagawin. Now, I was telling you a while ago, meron nga kaming DIY at meron din kaming school partnership. Of course, the DIY is cheaper, no? Pero ito pong DIY, gusto pong i-explain sa inyo na yung do-it-yourself, dinassign po namin yan for parents, for mothers or fathers to teach their own child to read on a one-on-one basis. So, dito po, once you buy our DIY, may personal coaching po kayo, may mentoring kayo, kino-customize po namin yan sa learning style ng isang bata for 20 days or for 20 lessons. Ang DIY po natin, may expiration yan. Meron po kasing magtatanong sa amin, ako, bibili na lang ako ng DIY. Pwede ko na bang magamit yan sa napakaraming estudyante ko? Alam niyo po, the same program po yung binibigay namin, pero iba po yung planning, no? Iba po yung coaching ng DIY kesa sa school partnership. Kasi remember po, sa school partnership, you will be teaching a large group of students, diverse learner, no? Whether you're in private or public school. So, mas madami po yan. Magkakaiba po sila ng learning styles or ng kanilang cognitive ability, di ba? Yung ability nila to understand, may fast, may slow, meron pang may mga learning needs. So, kung gagamitin niyo yung DIY, yung assessment po niya, fit po sa isang bata. So, ilang beses niyo pong gagawin yun. Ang DIY assessment po namin, may bayad po yan, no? Na bawat i-assess niyong bata. Okay? Pero ito pong school partnership, you will subscribe this for 1 school year for the entire school population. At ang mentoring po namin at ang coaching po namin to is for reading and English teachers handling big classes using the IR20 lesson program. So, dahil malaki pong group yan, not necessarily matatapos po nila ng 20 days. Pero yung 20 lesson programs po, they will undergo that. And after the 20 lesson program, the children, once nang naging okay yung assessment nila, they will definitely read. Magbabasa po sila. Ang programa po namin ito, ang Instant Reader po, na-test na po namin to, even dun sa may mga special needs, no? Sometimes, mas matagal lang, but still they will read in a short period of time compared dun sa traditional way, no? Traditional time, no? Na iginugugol nila para matutong magbasa. Usually po, sa to read a sentence, no, sentences, paragraphs, usually it takes even 3 years for a normal child to learn it, no. So yung 20 days, 20 lesson program na yan, no, na makakapagbasa sila is really, really something. So para napaka epic, no. I would say epic siya talaga kasi po, imagine they will unlock that learning difficulty in a very short period of time. So again, yung school partnership po, iba po siya, no? Iba po ang mentoring, iba po ang coaching, and then we are going to plan together with you. Depende po sa number ng students nyo at depende po dun sa result ng assessment na gagawin natin. And you're going to use the program for 1 school year. Okay? So, hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-improvise, mag-trial and error kasi highly duplicable, and this program has been tested for 21 long years. And the coaches that you're going to have are our Instant Reader team na mga seasoned teachers na po, together with our IT team support. No? Kasi kailangan po, dahil subscription po ito. No? The subscription will be annual. Annual po siyang gagawin, no? I mean, pag nag-subscribe ka, 1 taon po siyang nasa inyo. Okay? So, ito po ay ibibigay sa mga schools from areas na without an IR center kasi franchising po kami. So, we need to respect our franchisees. Kasi remember, we really cater po sa more on, I would say, AB market po. Pero ito nga, binibigay po nga namin to more on, talagang we're going to the ground level to share our program. And it is also IROMS operated. Ibig sabihin, may sarili po kaming learning management system para po dito sa IR. At yung partnership po ay for classroom setup. Kasi dito po we have our school, no? We call it the learning place. We use Instant Reader for group, no? Kaya ang mga preschool namin, sa umpisa pa lang, preschool yung kanilang kinder 1, hindi po matatapos ang taon, few months. So I would say in ilang months lang yon, or before the school year ends, they are all readers. Iniisa-isa po namin yan sila, no? Now, for this school partnership, our full implementation will be 2024. For approval po yan, no? Kasi kailangan po kayo mag-sign, mag-fill in po kayo ng application form so we could evaluate if we could really be good partners together. So, meron po kayong after po na approve, no, meron po tayong MOA or Memorandum of Agreement between Instant Reader and Partner School. Okay, so siguro dadating na tayo sa magkano ba yan. As I was telling you, sharing to you, ang Instant Reader po is really franchising. Yun po ang business model namin. And then, meron na po kaming online na rin po talaga itong Instant Reader. So, we could teach face-to-face sa center-based and meron din po kaming online. Ang local rate po namin ng isang Instant Reader na franchise is amounting to 350,000 pesos. So, that's what our franchises pay us, no? To get the system, a very comprehensive system of Instant Reader. Pero ito pong partnership na to, we're almost giving it for free. Napakaliit na po na pwedeng gamitin kahit na gaano kadami ang estudyante nyo, magagamit po nila for 1 year, no? 1 year, can you imagine? 20 days nga lang makakapagturo ka ng magbasa or in 20 lessons. 1 year pong nasa inyo yung programa namin. And for IR School Partner, we're only asking 35,000 so that you can use the Instant Reader program in your school for 1 school year. Okay, 1 school year na po yun. Okay? So sabi ko nga, bakit parang free na yan? Kasi po, gagamitin lang namin siya para dun sa mga subscription namin kasi we pay. We pay po mga subscription. Alam naman po nyo yan. Kami po dun sa school namin, we use Quiper, no? And I spend millions. I pay millions of pesos for 1 year subscription po nung Quiper. I don't know kung merong mga Quiper user dito. Ganun po siya kamahal kasi ang bawat bata 4,500 or plus, no, ang binabayad po namin. Ito pong Instant Reader, no, we're only giving it to you for 35,000 for 1 school year subscription. Kasi we also need to pay subscription. Alam niyo naman po sa internet, hindi ka naman pwedeng magbigay ng mag-load ng program mo nang hindi ka nag-subscribe. Ganun po talaga yun so that we could reach more school. Nung tinitingnan ko nga, sabi ko itong 35,000 for 1 school year subscription for the entire school population. Kung may 50 students ka, bali 700 pesos lang siya each, di ba? So 100 users, 350 pesos lang ang bawat bata. Sa 200, 175, 300, 116, ang 570 na lang, 750 pesos na lang ang isa. If you have 1,000 students, 35 pesos na lang po ang isa na amount, no, na allotment natin for student, di ba? So napakaliit lang po niya, no, for the entire school population. Now, ano po ba yung mga qualifications, no? Qualifications talaga for us to be in partnership with you kasi seryoso po talaga kami dito. First, the school should be committed to make a difference in the life of struggling readers and non-readers. They're willing to invest and start as soon as possible. 35,000 annual subscription fee for local rate and must have internet access, a TV and a monitor. Ito po yung timeline natin, no? November, ang official launch, ang pag-accept namin po ng applications, ang screening at saka interviews. Ng first quarter po ng 2024, we are going to have our teacher training for the Instant Reader execution. So, doon po namin ibibigay pa lahat ng mga strategies, no? Iko-coach po talaga kayo para ang gusto lang po namin, magawa siya ng maayos na maayos. Hindi yung basta makuha mo yung program, may kopya ka, pero hindi mo naman siya na-implement ng maayos. Sayang din po yun. Pati po yung assessment, we will be coaching you para po talagang na-assess natin. Katulad nga sabi kanina nila Teacher Lorna and Teacher Freds, you need to be very, very honest sa assessment. Otherwise, madi-defeat po talaga yung purpose ng program. Okay? So, ang full implementation po natin ng approved schools will be June 2024. So, you need po to fill out the school partnership application. Okay, so yung iba namomroblema pa rin, gusto nila pero wala silang funds. So ang ito po yung some of my suggestions, no? Kasi kung gano'n na lang po kaliit yon with the number of students, pag i-spread nyo at dinivide nyo, talagang napakaliit na lang po niya. But kung talagang wala pa rin, these are some of my, kasi po, we're almost giving it, I would say, na parang free na po talaga siya, no? Kasi subscription na lang po yung babayaran namin. And of course, a little funding naman po dun sa mga magko-coach sa inyo, 'di ba? Yung maglalatag ng programa sa IT team namin, no? Para lang talagang ma-serve naman din kayo ng maayos, no? Because we also rely on technology. Okay, so ito po, School Literacy Fund Allotment. Pwede po kayo magkaroon ng partnership with non-profit organizations, social media campaigns to help you with your struggling readers, no? Maipakita nyo yung um, kung gaano kadami, 'di ba? Ano yung percentages ng mga non-readers nyo or struggling readers ninyo. You could tie up with local businesses, 'di ba? Or magpa-partner kayo doon. Baka may mga government programs and initiatives on education yung mga konsehal or in your community that could also be para ma-fund po ang 35K. Or you could also have like an alumni support, or baka may mga friends na gusto pong mag-sponsor ng isa, dalawa, ng ilang bata, no? Na may burden to help, na nakakaintindi po ng value ng reading for our children. You could also have crowdfunding, or you could tap company CSRs within your community, or baka may mga kakilala kayo. So, yun po yung mga some suggestions ko po, no, na para ma-raise po natin yon, so that maging partner po namin talaga kayo dito sa Instant Reader. Okay, so for you to be part of our team, part of our movement, ito po yung three suggestions ko na naman pong ibibigay sa inyo. So first, it's our dream to be in partnership with you. Kung yun pong criteria ay pasok po ang school natin doon. So I would really love for you to adapt Instant Reader in your school for your non-readers and your struggling readers. And number two, kung hindi man naka-attend ngayon yung principal ninyo, or whoever is the decision maker in your school, please share this seminar video file. Kasi we're going to
Hold on, Teacher Vicky. Nawala lang po ang audio. Okay, one moment po. Hold on. Okay, sa mga nagme-message, nababasa po namin lahat ng messages. Just keep it coming. Kung may tanong,
Siguro, Teacher Fred, habang inaayos
yes.
yung audio, ipakita nga natin ulit yung process, teacher, dun sa school partnership sa mga interested. Yung
Alright,
question
yes,
8, yung
Teacher
question
Lorna.
8 slide. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, here we go.
Habang inaayos lang
Tingnan
yung
lang
audio. Ito po
natin.
yung para sa mga asking
Mm.
about the process, how to go about the school partnership po. Ito, I will show it to you para po magka-idea kayo. Yung mga steps po that you have to
Oops,
undertake.
sorry. One moment.
Yan.
Okay. Habang inaantay natin si Teacher Vicky. Yes, here po.
Go ahead, Teacher
Alright.
Fred. Sige.
So step
So, step
1, you just have to fill up the school partnership application form. It's an online form po, ibibigay sa inyo via Google Form link, okay? And then step 2, it's screening. So we will determine the 100 schools po, no, qualified, committed 100 schools po na magiging part ng ating school partnership program. And then step 3, notice of acceptance. So you will receive an email notif which includes the details about your subscription and yung draft po ng school partnership agreement for review. Okay? So that's 1, 2, and then 3. And the next steps po, agreement signing na, di ba? After nating ma-finalize yung ating agreement, 'di ba? You will now we will now discuss the terms and conditions regarding your responsibility as a school partner. And step 5, the final step, interview. So you will have a formal meeting with the team of Instant Reader headquarters. I'm not sure kung kaya po ito ng face-to-face, or we could also schedule it via Zoom to finalize the details about the training, operations, and payment. Okay? So, 5 steps lang po yan on how to apply for the school partnership program. Okay?
Okay,
Teacher
teacher.
Vicky? Yes, Teacher Vicky is back.
Hello. Okay, wait. Screen share ko lang ulit kasi I'm almost done na, no? Ito na ba? So, okay, may right na here. Salamat, Teacher Freds. Okay. So, thank you. Inano mo yung MOA natin. Okay, again, so ang sabi ko nga dito, number 2 ako kanina, share the seminar to your school principal and possible sponsors or donors, no? Or mga friends. And number 3, join the Instant Reader movement, 1 million Filipino children by 2025 by referring us, no? Kung baka may mga kilala kayo ng mga school sa malalayong lugar or mga kaibigan nyo na may mga estudyante na pwedeng you're in a private school, you're fine, you have your reading program, that's really very beautiful. Pero baka meron kayong kakilala, di ba, na who would really need this help. So it would be great if you will refer to us, no? And we have this referral system that we could also share with you. Okay? And then, Teacher Freds, by Friday, last na natin, no? Last na natin.
Yes.
So, ito po naman yung itatakal natin by Friday. So, what do you expect by Friday? Mabilis lang po kasi ang araw ngayon, di ba? Na, minsan, magugulat ka, parang Sunday pala. Ay, naku po, Friday na naman. Alam mo, minsan, grabe talaga, teacher. Ang bilis talaga ng mga araw
Yes,
ngayon.
that's true, Teacher Vicky.
So, ito po yung ating expect naman on Friday. This coming Friday. So, I'll be zeroing in on the science of learning reading. So, bakit nga ba yung mga dyslexia, no? Ano yung science behind that? A little of it, no? Bakit sila nahihirapan? At ano pa yung approach na ginagamit natin sa kanila, teacher? Ano yung ginagamit nating technique and strategy for us to be able to unlock that learning difficulty at magbukas yung mga reading lobes nila na naging inactive because of the difficulty in reading. And then, we're also going to share, teacher, kasi hindi pa natin yung
Opo.
na silang overload tonight. We're going to share the secret of sustaining interest. Bakit natin nahuhook ng gusto ang mga bata sa instant reader? Another
Right.
strategy that we have is the
Virtual pet.
kasi alam niyo naman, we're dealing with Gen Zs po, di ba? Ito yung talagang napakaikli. Alam niyo ba na ang mga Gen Zs po, ang average attention span yan, 8 seconds na lang. Can you believe that? So we have this strategy, the virtual pet, no, which we're going to share with you. This is really, really exciting na gagamitin din po sa ating instant reader program para hook na hook po ang mga bata, no. So, may games po yon. And mag-overview na tayo, Teacher Freds, ng ating
Opo.
advanced level program na gamified na po yung mga lessons niya, no? May mga games siya na talagang hook na hook din ang mga bata. They are
Right.
enjoying without noticing that they are learning something na
They're having fun.
very complicated skill. And
Mhm.
then, we have our IR Compass. We're also going to give them an overview of the reading comprehension, why our Instant Reader Compass or Reading Comprehension Program works like magic. Yan.
Yeah. Yay.
Ang mga tanong pa po, mga questions ninyo na gusto nyo pang malaman from us, then we're going to entertain that as well on Friday. Ayan, teacher.
Friday. Opo.
Diba? Maraming tulog
Exciting.
part to talaga.
Right po.
Ending with this slide, and then kung ready na ang mga katanungan nila, so this is my ending slide. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Ayan. So mga
From
kapwa
Henry Ford.
from Henry Ford, yes, mga kapwa ko guro, mommies, and mga daddies or mga teachers na naandito. Yun lang talaga kasi ang calling natin, di ba? So, this is our calling. Tinawag na tayo dito, itodo na natin to, di ba? And I believe this is the best legacy we could leave behind this next generation. So, maraming salamat at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. We are now open for
The question and answer portion.
yung mga nasa
Para
Facebook
Miss Universe lang.
ngayon. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Maraming salamat and thank you so much. Kung may mga tanong pa rin po kayo, come on, keep asking. You message us, no?
Mm-mm.
And then I hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye po sa ating mga Facebook listeners. Bye!
Okay, Teacher Vicky.